Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Taurus, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, Taurus. So these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, guys. And I also have a special pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity in your situation, you can stay tuned for that reading, guys. So that will follow this general energy. So let's start with these cards here. We have the Sun in reverse, Neophyte of Moons and the Burning Tower. So in your situation, Taurus, in your career situation or in your relationship, these cards may relate to your career or your relationship, guys. So there are sudden changes happening in your situation. Something is moving away, something which is painful and something which is old and no longer required for our life is just breaking down, and in its place something new is coming up. And whatever is stale, or it may be some worn out ideas or something's old, so all that is clearing, giving way for that space for a new growth in our life, guys. And maybe this readjustment or reassessment that is happening in our life path, it is really painful for us, but it is necessary, guys. It is a needed change. So only then that fresh growth or that new change has place to come up. So that may be the reason that all that is not working for us is leaving us today, guys, Taurus. And I also see that it may be for some of you, if you were having doubts about this person you love, maybe whether they are loyal or whether they are not. They are loyal and they are devoted, guys, and this person is in true love with you, and they are here in this connection wholeheartedly, and they love you, they care for you and they respect you, guys. So very positive energy we have for your relationship, guys. So this person, they have that true concern and they are happy for you for this love. And also in your situation, guys, maybe for some of you there are some confusions in your maybe in your relationship or maybe in your career situation. Some kind of misunderstandings are there, something stressing you, maybe some doubts or confusions are there in your situation, guys. Maybe that may be the reason we have the card that answers our question. Maybe you had some confusion about this person, whether they understand you, whether they are loyal to you. You can be sure that they are loyal, they are trustworthy and they are reliable, guys, Taurus. So that is the energy, guys, with these cards. Let's see what are the cards for a relationship in particular. So we have Three of Suns. So with this card, guys, in our situation, in this relationship, you have a great hope for this connection, guys. You love this person and you're dreaming about the future. You have great hopes for this love. But this person you love, they have some hidden motives. Maybe they have a different vision or they have a different idea. So they may not be interested in this love. Maybe they are not yet seeing the future of this connection. Maybe they are having a good time now, but they have not made up their mind to be with you in future. So they have not come to a decision yet, guys. So some kind of confusions may be there in this connection, guys. Maybe they are still young, or this relationship is still young. Maybe you have been with this person only for a short time. That may be the reason we see this energy here. So they have not made up their mind clearly, guys. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is Four of Suns. So with this card in your career situation, guys, maybe for some of you, you are getting some offers for collaboration or a partnership, something that is taking you towards a greater potential for success, guys, today. So that is the reading for you all today, Taurus. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. So this is your first choice and this is your second choice. So whatever questions or doubts you have in your mind, you can think about it and choose the card. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card. I will keep this card aside. Let's see what is the card for y'all, for those who have chosen this first card. We have not. So with this card, guys, maybe sometimes we try really hard, we do everything possible within our limit, and we desire for certain things, but no matter how hard we try, the results we seek sometimes elude us, and it is as if we are watching the game from the sidelines. And maybe the appearance of this card just indicates that we are not going to get what we are dreaming for. Maybe our dreams will be fulfilled in a different way, guys. So whatever happens, you need to have that acceptance. That is the energy. So sometimes we face rejection, and we need to understand that rejection is a form of God's protection towards us, guys. So maybe only the right things will reach us. The same way in our relationship, sometimes even in the beginning of the relationship, we may feel that that relationship is bound to move towards failure, guys. And sometimes it may be because certain red flags that appear in that beginning escape our observation, or we refuse to acknowledge them. So we need to understand that certain relationships are not meant to be, and it is not possible for us to make it be just like we dream, guys. So rejection is a sign from the divine that you are protected. And if you are in a situation to reject this person, remember that you are doing that for both your welfare, guys, for your good and for that other person's welfare too. And there is a perfect match for each and every one of us. We should not forget that. Maybe this person may not be our best fit. So sometimes maybe you are interested in someone, or you are in a relationship with somebody, and maybe there are troubles in this connection. You need to understand that if you feel that it is not going to work, you can stop making it work, guys, and see where things are going with this connection. So that is the energy with this card. For those who have chosen this card, that is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card for those who chose this crystal and this card. it is black tourmaline. So with this card in your situation, guys, it just stands for healthy boundaries, guys. So when we have good fences, we make good relationships. So the appearance of this card just means that we have to know when is the time to be alone and when is the time to be together. And if you are feeling tired lately, maybe somewhat bored or somewhat lethargic or tired, you need to understand that you are neglecting yourself at some given level, and you are giving too much, maybe suffering from empathy or suffering or depending on someone too much. Maybe that may be the reason. You have to see what it is. And you should not yearn love through self-sacrifice, guys, or not feel overwhelmed in your relationship. So this is the time for that. This is the time. Maybe you are even matched with your soulmate, but whatever it is, you need time for yourself. You need time for yourself and time to give that other person freedom and time to enjoy certain things together. Maybe you need to spend time alone or spend time with your friends or do something alone. That is going to help you in a better way, guys, make you more relaxed in your relationship and make you more fulfilling and nurturing in this connection. So you need to understand where you need to stop your indulgence on that other person or their indulgence on you. So that is the reading with this card, guys, with this crystal spirit. That is the energy. And thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.